Rainforest Facts for Kids. Rainforests are wet and warm habitats where many plants and animals thrive. The vegetation is extremely dense, and usually the trees in a rainforest grow to be very tall. Most rainforests are found along the equator, but some grow in temperate areas too. Rainforests are located on every continent except Antarctica. The largest rainforests in the world surround rivers in South America and Africa. Southeast Asia and Australia also have tropical rainforest habitats. Rainforests cover around 6% of the Earth's surface. The Amazon is the world's largest rainforest and spreads across 9 countries in South America. Unfortunately, over the years, rainforest size has decreased due to a variety of natural and human-made threats. Natural disasters such as wildfires, volcanic eruptions, and tropical storms threaten the ecosystems of rainforests. Humans have decreased the size of rainforests through deforestation, farming, mining, and growing population sizes. Rainforests are home to over half the world's land-based animal species. Every vertebrate classification can be found in tropical rainforests: mammals, reptiles, fish, amphibians, and birds. They are also home to many insects and arachnids. Examples of animals that may be found include toucans, jaguars, sloths, anacondas, piranhas, poison dart frogs, and bird-eating spiders. Despite the challenging living conditions, rainforests have housed thriving indigenous communities for thousands of years. Some of these people have had little or no interaction with the outside world. Around 25% of the ingredients used to make modern medicines come from rainforest plants. Sometimes referred to as the lungs of the planet, rainforests produce around 20% of the Earth's oxygen and store a huge amount of carbon dioxide, which helps lessen the impact of greenhouse gas emissions. Rainforests also provide us with many products that we use every day. Tropical woods are used to make furniture and many other items. Many spices and fruits that we eat are transported from the rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is the world's largest rainforest. The rainforests in Southeast Asia are some of the oldest on Earth. It is thought that some of the areas have been untouched for over 70 million years. The Rafflesia plant can be found in the rainforests of Southeast Asia. It is the largest single flowering plant in the world, and the flower smells like rotten meat. Capybaras, found in the Amazon rainforest, are the largest rodents on Earth and are related to guinea pigs. The hottest rainforest in the world is actually a human-made biome called Biosphere 2 in a research facility in Arizona. The Valdivian temperate rainforest on the south coast of Chile is thought to be the coolest rainforest. Gorillas live only in the Congo Basin rainforest. They usually live in troops of between 10 and 50 members. Orangutans live in the rainforest of Borneo. Orangutans make new nests in the trees to sleep in every single night. The canopy in the Amazon rainforest is so thick that when it rains, it takes around 10 minutes for the water to reach the ground. Rainforests provide people with many cooking spices, such as vanilla, allspice, and black pepper. Thanks for joining us. For more information and resources related to rainforests, head to twinkl.com.